Have you or a family member ever been denied access to healthcare you need for any reason? If you have, you're not the only one. In many countries today, including the United States, healthcare is not as accessible as many people think it is. There are so many people and families that get denied proper healthcare due to financial or physical barriers. It seems unethical that we do not allow people to get the help they need based on some things that they may not be able to control. While people who can't afford good insurance and can't afford the care they need when they need it and don't have to worry about those things. I think that we need to focus on having universal health care around the world. I will talk about how universal health care will make a healthier world. People can reach their full potential because they won't have to worry about their health as much, and people can get the care they need without any financial hardships. The first thing that I will talk about is how universal care can help improve the public health. According to Pan American Organization, having universal health care will make it so that healthcare is safer, more affordable, and more effective for all people. In the long run, this will help improve the public's health because more people can get access to good healthcare. It's also safer for people to have universal healthcare because if people cannot get the healthcare that they need, they will find ways that are accessible to them, and they will find ways to try to fix their health, which could actually make their health worse. The core value of having universal health care is the right to health. This means that people should get equal and good health care without the distinction of age, gender, ethnic group, social status, or economic position. If we stop discriminating against certain people and everyone was treated equally in the healthcare system, we would have a much healthier world. Having a healthier public is important because not only will everyone be less sick, but if there are new diseases, having universal health care can help us detect them and stop the spread easier. If people catch a new disease but cannot get health care, or choose not to due to the barriers that come with it, they could potentially spread the new disease to the rest of the public. If we have universal health care, that disease can get detected and stopped before more people spread it. Next, having a universal healthcare system will lessen financial hardships for families. According to the World Health Organization, if we have a universal healthcare system, we can also reduce the risk of people getting pushed into poverty. People who need extreme care oftentimes cannot work, making their financial situation poor. Also, some people need care at all times, and family members step up to help out. If a family member is taking care of them full time, they may not get to work either, which can also worsen the financial situation. If a family member cannot simply afford to take care of them full time, then they must have to pay for someone else to take care of that loved one. If a family member has a loved one that is sick or disabled, it puts a burden on the family's money. Being sick or disabled is not something that can be controlled, and people and families should not have to suffer or worry about money just to take care of their loved ones. People should be able to get the care they need without the stress of how they will be able to afford it or how it will affect their financial situation in the future. According to KFF, 1/4 of adults said that in the last 12 months, they have not gone to or postponed healthcare appointments due to the cost. Although having health insurance can greatly help with the cost of healthcare needs, insured people are not immune to the cost of healthcare, and insurance is not free. KFF also states that 1 in 5 insured adults still report not getting the care they need due to cost. The cost of healthcare affects most people, whether they have insurance or not, and health can often be unpredictable, making people who are financially comfortable less financially comfortable due to sudden health changes. So we need to consider a better way to run our healthcare systems. Lastly, I would like to talk about how having universal healthcare can help adults and children live to their full potential. World Bank states that children that have good health can attend school and other activities, which will help them reach their full potential, and adults that have good health can live a more healthy and productive lifestyle. Having better access to quality health services and products for people's health and well-being can improve the quality of life that people have. Not only can healthcare be hard on people financially, but it can also bring people a lot of stress, which also leads to not living life to full potential. We need to bring more affordable and accessible healthcare to everyone so that people can live life how they want with one less thing to worry about. Providing the public with universal healthcare can also improve people's life expectancy. Having better access to care that people need without worrying about barriers due to social status or economic status can lead people to living better and healthier lives. If everyone can get the proper care they need without worries, more people will be less hesitant to get the healthcare that they actually need. If we start having universal healthcare now, our children will get better healthcare and so will their kids. This ensures that not only our generation, but also future generations will have better lives and will live a better quality life. It's also been proven that countries with universal healthcare have a happier society. Having universal healthcare leads to less stress from sudden health changes or even just regular checkups. Having less stress can make the happiness in people improve. These are only a few reasons why I believe that universal healthcare needs to be a thing around the whole world. In conclusion, having universal healthcare will improve the health of the public, lessen financial hardships people face due to healthcare costs, and will improve the quality of most people's lives. I highly suggest that you take into consideration the benefits of having universal healthcare.